Hello, in this short video, I would like to present you my summer sandbox project titled AI as a Cognitive Mentor in Troubleshooting. My name is Ahmet Sabuncu. I'm a faculty at the Mechanical Engineering Department of WPI, and I have worked with my undergraduate students, Marshall Ismail, Devon Kachadorian, and Sahil Mirani, which are all students at WPI. So our goal was to answer the research question, in what capacity can an AI agent act as a cognitive mentor for troubleshooting? And let me explain some of the important concepts here. And troubleshooting is the act of providing solutions for an engineering system that is displaying some malfunctioning behavior. So it could be the system's output is substandard, so that there's a need to repair the engineering system. And cognitive mentorship that we would like to provide to the students is a method of learning or teaching. And in cognitive mentorship, the novice students model the task and knowledge structure of the experts. And experts in our case would be the artificial intelligence agents. So then our goal would be, can we have artificial intelligence um, present the behavior and knowledge structure of experts, and can the students learn from the behavior and the knowledge structure of the expert AI? And obviously, we don't want to give the students right away the answers so that they can solve it without it learning. But we would like to model the learning by using cognitive mentorship. So therefore, we relied on a technique called Socratic questioning, which is meant to reveal the original question or the deep underlying knowledge gap in students, so that students um, can be aware of the knowledge gap and can fill it in with the help of the AI. And we also used in our study techniques called decision trees in order to help the users to find the root cause of the problems in troubleshooting. So we looked into, even before we started the Summer Sandbox project, the frequently asked questions by the students in the lab, and we gathered them, we compiled them into a database. And as soon as we hit the summer, we started looking into large language models, and we use a software called Flowise in order to create an instance of GPT-4o model. And with that, we tested our large language model app with the frequently asked questions in the lab. And later, we thought maybe adding a camera to our agent would be helpful, so that students can take the picture of their troubleshooting problems. Usually they are on physical systems, and the large language model can determine what the problem is and can teach the students how to solve the problem. And moving forward, we have a pending IRB application, and we'd like to test it eventually in the classroom and in the lab, and we'd like to disseminate it to the community. So this is how our chatbot looks like. So we have a web address, and the web address hosts our model, and it can go back and forth with the student, and it's trained to do Socratic questioning. It's trained to know what we are doing in the lab. So hopefully it will give the right guidance to the students. Well, I would like to thank WPI undergraduate studies for supporting this work.